Hi, future self. Good morning. We're on the way to the airport to pick up, first to pick up my mom and my brother, and then to Abu Dhabi airport for our Uzbekistan trip. And also, why am I doing a vlog? I just wanna show something to my future self about the trip that I'm about to take, about the trip that we are about to take. So I really hope that I like it. Thank you. See ya.
You're right. So nice. Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Nice po na naman. Nice kayo yung tanaw sa video. Ang ganda. Verla's family, say hi.
Hi. Welcome to Abu Dhabi Airport. Isap na ba?
Okay, biling.
Sunod pag mga travel.
Kasi mga itinerary.
Hi guys. Andito na kami sa Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Ang kanilang place is very maganda. Pero mainit. It's really summer season at this time. So yes.
Review. Ang lasa po ay malamis-lamis at maraming nangyayari. Pero overall masarap.
Malam.
Sarap.
Klaro.
Hi!
No, wala akong cellphone mo.
Hey, buto na lang cellphone. On the way to Samarkand, we're going to take a train from Tashkent to Samarkand. Our flight, in our right, basta doon. Over there. We are, I don't know, we're going somewhere. Look for today, going to Tajikistan. That's our pay, that's our air conditioner. This is our wardrobe area. And that. Hi, where's my kabayo? Hi, kabayan. Mga kabayan in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. So, mo nilang lugar dara, cobblestone, matatawagan na. With matching kalawang at trapal something. Yes. Giza. In fairness, ang hangin masarap. See? Ito, mo nilang kalsada. So, dili sila mga damak na tao. Limpyo ilang lugar. Malinis po siya. Maganda ang kanil... Okay, nakoy taga-dictate. Sila na kabayan ulit. Siguro ang kanilang mga trabaho dito ay very relaxing kay they have maintained the place to be very clean. Tapos ang wiring sila, in all fairness, dili kay daghan. Sa Pilipinas pa ni daghan na kayog mga naglatay-latay. Sa muka, sa likod ng mga kabayan. Wala ko labot, kabayan. Tiklang. Ang linis ng lugar ng mga iyaan. Super linis.
Singapore University, Japanese University of Korea. Sila tulo ang investor dito.
We're back.
Montage na ito.
Через 300 метров перед мостом держитесь правее.
Hi, future self. We are in the border of Tajikistan. We are in the border crossing to Tajikistan from Samarkand. And wala lang, normal lang place. Pero limpyo and very sunny, but not alimuot.
Oh.
I'm back very fast. So, negotiate pa sila for the fare kay as per the driver, wala daw siya pasahero pabalik. So, I think he is asking for more money. Pero ambot unsa ilang chika sa sulod. I hope all is well. Kaya ang amuhang tour guide on the other side is, I think, nagahulat na, and I want to go. Ano kayo? So man yung look sa ilahang area. Very simple. Dili pa dyan siguro ni worth that video, but para sa akong mata, it's good. It's okay. It's something new. So yes.
Means in English Golden River.
Ah.
Golden River. Zar Afshon.
Zara Shore.
5 kilometers from here. And on the left hand, Zarafshon. And near the mountains, is Zarafshon River. Zarafshon means in English golden river. Golden. 5 kilometers from here to Saras settlement. Saras settlement is 6,000 years old.
6,000?
Yes. Okay. Now you are welcome. You are welcome, Tajikistan. Welcome, please, our guest. Our gate always open it, closed for you.
Sige, isa-isa ta.
It's no problem. Review. Ken. We're now eating samosa. Ano sa pangalan ba? Samosa? Sounds like samsa. Mura siyang siopaw. Mura siyang empanada. There's also sauce.
Tomato, this one, tomato.
Maybe
This for museum.
yeah.
Well, we can wait if you have time.
Pagpauli na lang.
Well,
Yung lagi tagay na ito na stock mo.
maybe there is souvenirs there.
No. Inside.
Yes,
inside.
Ang ganda talaga ng kanilang mga park. May mga roses. So, the first time makita roses na nakakabit pa rin sa kanyang tangkay na laya. But the rest are so nice. See? The roses are red. The pink are pink. The greens are greens. Wow, nice. Like paradise.
Nakagwapo kung iliwa. Yes, nice.
Nice, no?
Sa
ibutang na niyo siya kanan sa
Gitaw kayo ni.
Video daw ganda. Video daw.
Video gani?
Ah, okay. So, ano man yun? Dili usap ano din no? Tinidor?
Kadawag siya. Thank you. Saan na kasi wanted ba?
Ano sa mana?
Nice ka na lang. Nice ka na pagdaghan ka ni kayo. Sa Armenia na anak.
Hello, wow.
Bako kay man no?
Ipindot ko.
Outfit check for today, second day in summer camp. Ang peg natin is Filipiniana since Independence Day just happened. But at the same time, I just want to show off our national costume in another country. Okay. Masyadong mahaliwanag ang somewhere. Here's our makeup. Very simple. Our hair. Yes. Mga kababayan ko, nais kong malaman nyo, bilib ako sa kulay ko. Ako ay tama. Pipino. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. May free breakfast yung aming hostel, so we're going to avail it. We are in the Botanical Garden Hotel. Very green. Very green. Very green. So, watermelon, apple, that bread that I don't know, that is honey, and then sugar. Okay. Hi mga kabayan, nandito po tayo sa lungsod ng Uzbekistan kung saan makikita niyo po na napakaganda ng kanilang kultura. Ngayon po ay pupunta po kami sa Rajasthan kung saan matutunghayan po namin ang mga kasamukan ng mga Bisaya. Masaya lang po. Makikita niyo po mamaya ang mga magandang istruktura ng Persian culture. So, dadalhin po kayo. Tara! Sama na! Halina po kayo at tunghayan ninyo ang magandang kapaligiran. May nakita po tayo dito isang nakakatakot na nilalang. Pwede natin i-forward pa ito para hindi tayo mabay. Hello, kabayan! Hindi ka, kabayan. Susulungin po natin ang mga kahina-hinala. Kabayan, tingnan nyo. So ay hindi ko alam kung ano. pero sa aking palagay ay ito ay isang gas. Diyan siya, gas. I-post mo sila kayo, mahurutan mo. Hi kabayan!
Uy,
Ano ang ibig sabihin sa'yo ng kalayaan?
No English. No English.
Ano ang iyong...
English please.
What is freedom?
Freedom please. Saan?
Change topic si kabayan. Ana na permi pag dili nakasugakod. We are now in the biggest mosque in Samarkand and my god, so beautiful. So beautiful. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Andito na po tayo muli sa Samarkand kung saan andito tayo sa madrasa. Ito po ay isang eskwelahan as per my source poster. Para pag mali.
Oo, di ba? Sama kong kamay.
Very colorful, very old, but then it has its own charm. Kanina pa ito ngayon natin ang magagandang times.
I-choke na choke.
Ang ganda diri hapon.
Mga kabayan, kung kayo po ay nagtataka kung ano itong mga magagandang decoration mga kabayan, I think it is hand-painted. I think lang, hindi naman ako sure. Paki-research ulit. Kasi, look, tiles pala siya. Tiles po yung parang material niya. Pero paano nila na-carve ng ganito? In what world they thought that this will work? And it worked. Siyempre, pag Uzbekistan, magaganda yung ceramic nila. See? Yung mga plato nila po. Yung kanilang design is very bohemian. So, alam mo yung binigyan talaga ng time and effort yung pagkakapinta nila. Even small detail matters. Parang pong ganun. So, as per this, sinira daw. It is the duty of citizens to protect the historical, spiritual, and cultural heritage of the people of Uzbekistan. So, sa unang tingin, makikita natin na may trabaho talaga ang bawat Uzbekistani dito dahil ang daming kailangang punan ng tiles. Wow, ganda. So, parang dahil may mga aircraft, spaceship, chuchu. Baka merong ding contribution ang Uzbekistan sa ating outer spaces. Meron nga talaga. Astronomical Educational Observatory of Samarkand University teaching process. This was a minor planet discovered at Majdanek University, observatory. Following was named Samarkand. So parang makikita natin sa culture or history ng Samarkand, they are into learning more about the universe. Kahit nung unang panahon pa. So malamang talaga nung unang panahon pa ay interesado na ang mga Uzbek people sa astrology natin. Sila ay parang mga astronomers nung unang panahon. Pero paano kaya nila nagawan ng paraan para marami pang malaman about sa kalawakan? Sa aking nakikita, parang mahilig din silang mag-stargazing at ang dami-dami information na nakikita natin dito sa museum na to. According po dito, yan, kay Abdul Jalil from Samarkand. Siya po ang gumawa nito at sinulat ang mga letra sa dito kalaking libro. It was back in 2020. They mentioned it.
Nga na sila magmahal, guys. Ana sila mag...
State visit.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Hi, kabayan. Future self. Naghihintay po kami ng Yandex car for us to go to Family Mart. Isa po siyang mall. Again, as per Roseworth. So, ito po yung kanilang mga normal streets in Uzbekistan. Yes. Yes. Nice, no? Hi mga kabayan! Kamusta po? Andito po tayo ngayon sa Amir Temur Park dito po sa Samarkand. Si Amir Temur po ay isang magiting na tao at napakadakilang mamamayan ng Uzbekistan. Okay? Alright.
Yes.
So again, isa po sa mga uploaded na bagay dito sa Uzbekistan at lalo na sa Samarkand is yung kanilang mga parks na intended for their locals to enjoy with their family. Let's cross for the
Roads.
pedestrian. So maganda po yung mga maganda po yung mga daanan. Sana yung si Roseburg. Where is Roseburg? Madam. According po sa aming tour guide, ito po yung University Belt ng Samarkand. Maganda ang kanilang puno. Kamusta po? Now we're going to Tashkent via Shark. So guys, mga kabayan, we're tracking our train to Tashkent. Pero ang hirap, walang English. So how the Carabao, the battle thing. But the lady said it's here, like one. So I don't know. Let's see. But anyway, we're very close to the entrance, so I hope we won't miss it. Thanks. Hi guys, hi kabayans. We're waiting for the train going to Tashkent. At the moment, we're very confused. Kaya wala mi kabalo asa exactly mi maghulat. But for the time being, siguro maghulat na mi jug train. Then from there, we can ask kung asa ang train for Tashkent. Hindi man siguro sa magdali, no? So, mao na lang na. Anyway, I feel like the sun is really about to set. And this is how what their train looks like. It's very dangerous, okay? I mean, like, if you stay on this lane. So, at the moment, I think it's okay kasi wala pang train. But, later, huwag na mag-take ng risk. But again, we're very confused. Where is it going? Where the heck is the train coming from? Because there is this thing and we are not sure. Maybe we have to be there. And we asked a lot of personnel. They give us different instructions, and some of them that is not really good in English, so we're not sure exactly where. But yeah, we'll see. And I think there is a train coming now. Kaya nga ito pagpadulong eh. I think mauna ni among bus. Ay sorry, train pala. Okay. Pangita lang dala. Pangita lang sit number kinag-video ko sa mukha ko. HH. Wait lang. 2. Ah, dali 2 day.
Layo lagi ko.
Kani?
Tubi mo pa sumama.
Hi kabayan! So ito na po ang aming third or fourth day. And we are already in Tashkent, trying to explore their city and the famous tourist spots. So there's the mother and the brother. And the mother that is talking to herself. Talking to herself and feeling good. There is the Uzbekistan flag.
Gets mo? Kana mag advertisement before ka ano ba after or before ka mag story. Ya picture.
Nag-video na, sugod na ba? Isa ka, at least isa ka na lang. Okay. Hi mga kabayan, natawid po tayo pupunta pa nila kasi yung Hotel Uzbekistan is nasa other side. And this is their subway.
Bilo.
Walking pedestrian, underpass. So, in fairness talaga napakalinis. Kung walang tanghi, walang mga vendors, very well maintained. Isa to sa mga very good access to the characteristics ng mga taga-Uzbek. Their cleanliness to everywhere. So very good talaga siya. And they have CCTV, so they're very secure. So meron pa doon. Meron pa ito. As terminal parts, dito tayo. Pag nagkamali, ano ka na. Post, Ben. Up close, para lang siyang old hotel. Yung kanyang design is very, pare-pareha. Arrange siya by spread, windows. So, isa lang siyang parang malaking aklat na binuklat. Yan po yung parang design niya. Pero what is interesting is napaka-old na po daw nito and it is made from the Soviet time. According sa aking source. Again, paki-research. Okay? Hi guys! Mga kabayan, nandito po tayo sa isang park. So, meron po kami natutunan. Yung paint pala ng mga puno na puti, it helps them prevent the damage sa mga trunk ng trees pag nag-winter papuntang summer. So, yun pala yung purpose niya. Paki-research pag mali ako. One stop lang ako.
Ana. Okay, good. Wala. Berat ora. No.
Asa man?
50,000 na. Butang. Alas 10 sa mga.
Wow, looks really nice. They call this Sol Man. So, na yung mga cafeterias and other charmalay sa Kiliran. And na river in the middle. Even ang ilang mga atop is very Korean.
Straight ganyan.
But I think more si Mama ba kayo? Si picture ko. Si Mama picture ko. Wala na siya. Nalang picture sa sarili.